Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Nguyen Vietnamese coffee. They start their business in New York, Brooklyn, and then they import their coffee from Vietnam. So anyway, let's go ahead and check out this coffee. My wife got it, so let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, smells so good. So it says strong and smooth, royalty 50-50, robusta and arabica, tasting note cacao, pomelo, almond, smoke, caramel. Vietnam is the second largest coffee producer in the world. So it says Nguyen's coffee supply, grown in Vietnam, roasted in Brooklyn. And it says best by March 2021. And then that's their website. So we purchased this with our own money, so it's not sponsored or anything like that. In case you guys are wondering, so smells good. So this is the same product. And then this one is called Smooth and Sweet Moxie. 100% single origin Arabica. Tasting notes, wild berries, chocolate, cherry, honey. Wow, I didn't know coffee has so many different flavors. Do you? And then here's another one. And then I got the fifth one. This one is our strongest coffee, True Grit, 100% pea berry, robusta, tasting note, scotch, grapefruit zest, bitter melon. So there's no invoice or anything like that, so then my wife got their glass. Let's go ahead and check out the glass. So it is established 2018. So it says Nguyen Coffee Supply, Vietnam, and then Brooklyn. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.